Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials now. Check the car battery voltage and the key fob battery. Low power causes the lock symbol. Once done, try the physical key in the driver door and the interior lock/unlock switch to determine whether the issue is remote or central locking related. Next, sit in the driver's seat, close all doors, and ensure the ignition is off while you prepare to cycle power and access the vehicle's onboard lock reset sequence. You proceed by using the ignition cycling method recommended for many vehicles. Turn the key OFF on within about 10 seconds to enter programming mode. Pay attention, watch the lock symbol or key icon on the dash. It will flash or display a code that confirms entry into diagnostic mode. Once you see the prompt, press the lock/unlock button on the fob you want to program. Hold for a second. If the car requests a PIN, enter the dealer PIN from the You finish by validating the reset. Test each door and the trunk, then confirm the lock symbol is gone on the dash. If the fob programmed correctly, lock should respond every time. If not, try the spare fob or perform a 10-15 minute battery disconnect to clear transient errors, then repeat programming. If the lock symbol persists or the immobilizer prevents starting, make sure to get a dealer or qualified technician to scan for persistent fault codes and reflash the immobilizer module if required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.